Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus ES350 key battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and then slide out the mechanical key. This key is essential for the next step, so keep it handy. Now that the mechanical key is out, you'll see a small slot. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the casing. Once it's slightly open, you can separate the two pieces. Inside, you'll find the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.